Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Ajukarte. And in today's video, I am going to start by chapter 4, which is linear equation in two variables. So we are going to start with exercise 4.1, which is the first exercise. So let me tell you basic rule. In linear equation in two variables, as the name tells, you have to use any two variables of your choice. Most commonly, x and y are used in this. Okay, so I'll explain you. This is the main thing. And to write a linear equation, you must need to know x and any symbol over here, y equal to, and any number. Okay, any operation will be, it can be plus or minus, not multiply or divide. In linear equation in two variables, the operation between x and y will be plus or minus. And remember that x will come in front always, whether it is minus or plus. And here you can write any number. So I will have to start with first question to explain it to you in a better way. Let's start. The cost of the notebook, like there is a notebook, this is the notebook. Okay, so many pages over here. Okay, so this is a notebook and its cost is two times of a single pen. Okay, let this be the pen, this is a pen. Okay, twice the pen. So let's see. We assume the cost of notebook as x rupees. Therefore, the cost of pen, let's assume it y rupees. It's already given in the book. Now, the cost of notebook is twice of y, twice of pen. So, x equals to 2y. We have to form the equation. But this is not the equation. Firstly, I told you that x minus y or x plus y should be there. So, x minus 2y and this one is sent there. So, what will be left here? 0. Okay. So, x minus 2y is 0. This is the answer of first question. I hope you are understanding this. Now second one, express the following linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0 and indicate the values of a, b, c in each case. Okay, so now it is saying that you have to write the following equation is in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0 and tell the values of ABC. Yes, so 2x plus 3y equals to 9.35. 2x plus 3y equals to 9.35 bar. And let me choose another one marker. Here, this is the marker. What's given here? Ax plus by plus c. We have to put it in this form equals to 0. So 2x plus 3y minus, because this is plus here and it will go there and become minus. So minus 9.35 bar. And now you can see here, we have to tell the values of a, b and c. So with x will be a, with y will be b and c will be itself there. equal to 0. So firstly ax. So x with x there will be a means 2, and b will be with y. So y, coefficient of y is 3, and c is like plus symbol is here, so c will be positive, means we have to take this symbol also, which is minus 9.35 bar. Minus symbol will be there with it. Okay, now I will increase my speed. Second one, x minus y by 5 minus 10 equals 0. X minus y by 5 minus 10 equals 0. Is it the same? Yes. So it is already in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0. It's already in this form. But now what we will have to do? We will have to like put the values of a, b and c, because it is already form given. A wait equals to b equals and c equals. Okay, ABC here, and what's left? We just have to put the values. So there is nothing with x. So you know, if there is nothing, no coefficient with any variable, so the coefficient will be 1. For example, xy, there is no coefficient. So if I write 1xy, is it wrong? No, this is also correct. So a will be 1 because nothing is the coefficient. Now minus y by 5, so minus symbol, and y by 5. What can be write? How can be write y by 5? Y by 5. It can be written as 1 by 5 y. Okay. So what's the coefficient here? 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5, and minus 10. It will be coming as it is because c is minus 10. A1, b minus 1 by 5 and c is minus 10. Let's erase it. Now next one, minus 2x plus 3y equals 6. Minus 2x plus 3y equals 6. So how will we write it? Minus 2x plus 3y minus 6. Minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equals 0. I've told you y equal to 0 because the 6 will go there and nothing will be left here. Now a is minus 2 because a is the coefficient of x. So minus 2. Wait, this is not visible. Minus 2. B is with y. So what is with y? 3. Now c is minus 6. This is our answer. Very small answer. Let's go. Fourth one, x equals 3y. X equals 3y. So how will we write it? There are only two of them. So I will tell you what to do. There are only two of them, so you will write x minus 3y equals 0. Now you will ask, where is c? C will become 0. Why? Because I can write it in the way x minus 3y plus 0 equals 0. Is it wrong? No, it's also correct. So 0 will be C. So let's write C is 0, B is -3 and C is x. Okay. Now fourth one, 2x equals 5y. Two x equals 5y. 5y. Same concept will be applied over here. We will write it as 2x minus 5y plus 0 equals 0. Okay. Now 2x. So what is the coefficient of x? It's 2. A will be 2, B will be -5 and C will be 0. Now sixth one. Three x plus 2 equals 0. It's already in the perfect form. Now, if you see nicely, so there's no y over here. So, y will be 0. Now, how will we write it? 3x plus 0y. Because 0y is always 0 and there is no value of 0 if we write it in plus or minus. Plus 2 equals 0. So what is the coefficient of x? It's 3. Coefficient of y? It's 0. And 2 is 3. Okay. Now our seventh question. Seventh. Y minus 2 equals 0. This is the question. Now let's write in the perfect form. X 0x plus y minus 2 equals to 0. Now 0x plus y minus 2 equals 0. This will be formed. And now a, b and c. A is 0 because it is with x. B is 1 with y. And c is minus 2. Now last and final question, which is our 8th question. 5 minus 5 equals to 2x. 5 equals to 2x. 5 equals to 2x. Now 2x will go there plus 5 and it will be minus 2x because it is plus and here it will be minus equals 0. And now how can we write it? Minus 2x plus 0y plus 5 equals to 0. Now 0y, a and b, c. Now a will be minus 2 because it is with x. B will be 0. It's with y. And c will be 5. This is our answer. So our video is ended. And in next video I'll start with new exercise. Till then, bye bye and see you all in the next class.